Hi, Rosita.
Alan, I heard that far away from here, somebody hurt a lot of people.
Yeah, I heard that too. Do you want to talk about it?
Yes.
What else did you hear?
Well, I heard everyone is really sad and mad and confused.
Yeah, they are. You know what? We all are. I am. But you know what? I'm always here, and I will always listen.
What are you making there, Alan?
Well, I am making a basket for the people who are having a tough time right now. That way, they'll know we're thinking of them.
Alan, can I go get something to put in the basket too?
I think that is a great idea, Rosita. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't go away.
Okay, I
I'll
won't.
be right back.
All right.
Don't go away.
Okay.
Don't go away.
I promise. Community violence is when something bad or scary or disturbing happens around you. It might happen far away or even close by. Sometimes children hear about it from a friend or at school or on TV. So as much as you can, keep them away from media. And pay close attention to what children ask and say. These are tough issues, and they might come to you with tough questions. You can start by letting them tell you what they've heard and encouraging them to talk and share. And most of all, you can let them know you'll keep them safe and be there to listen.
Alan, look.
Oh.
Look, I made this special flower to put in the basket too.
That's so nice and kind of you, Rosita. And you know what? I know it will mean a lot to them to know that you care.
Oh, Alan, and it means a lot to me too.